The seed stitch is made up of just a bunch of tiny stitches filling up an area. So to do that, we're just going to bring our needle up through the back of our work and then just take a short stitch any direction that you want to go. And the key to this one is just kind of keep it as random as possible. Bring your needle up and then back down, and you want to keep all of the stitches pretty uniform in length and try to keep the white space in between all of them about the same, depending on what look you're going for. So just bring the needle up, a short distance away, bring it down, and the hardest part is just trying to make them all random directions. So just keep doing that until you have filled up the entire area of little seed stitches. And that is how you do the seed stitch.